In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a powerful CMS filtering system in Webflow. Open Webflow and go to the dashboard where your projects are listed. Find the project you want to work on, hover over it and click the small gear icon to open Site Settings. In Site Settings, look to the left sidebar and click Custom Code. Click inside the head code box, then paste in the Attributes version 2 script from the pinned comment. Once that script is in place, go to the top right and click Save. After it finishes saving, scroll back up and click Open in Webflow to return to the designer. Now in the designer, go to the top left toolbar and click the plus icon to open Add Elements. Scroll down to the CMS section, then drag a collection list onto the canvas. When the source window appears, click the source dropdown and choose the collection you want to filter. If that pop-up does not appear, use the panel on the right. Open Settings, find Collection List Settings, and set the source to Projects. Close the Add panel. You should now see 3 placeholder cards on the canvas, each one representing a collection item. Next, build out the content inside the collection item and connect each field. Open Add Elements again and drag a heading 3 into the collection item. In the heading settings pop-up, click the purple dot next to the text field and choose Name. Drag a text block below the heading. In the text block settings, click the purple dot next to the text field and choose Category. Drag another text block under that one. In its settings, click the purple dot again and choose Status. Then drag a paragraph into the same collection item. In the paragraph settings, click the purple dot beside the text field and choose Short Description. Now, tag the fields so the filtering system knows what to read. Select the category text block. In the right panel, click Settings. Scroll down to Custom Attributes and click Add. For the attribute name, enter FS List field. For the value, enter Category. Select the status text block and repeat the same process. Add a custom attribute named FS List field and set the value to Status. Then select a collection list itself. If it is hard to select on the canvas, open the navigator on the left and choose the collection list there. In Element Settings, go to Custom Attributes, click Add, set the name to FS List Element, and set the value to List. Next, create the filter form. Click into an empty area above the collection list. Open Add Elements, search for Form block, and drag it above the collection list. The form block comes with the default text input and submit button. Delete both of those, but keep the outer form element. Select the form itself, not the form block wrapper. Use the navigator if needed. In Element Settings, add a custom attribute. Set the name to FS List Element and set the value to Filters. Now add the checkboxes. From Add Elements, drag a checkbox into the form. In the Settings panel on the right, click into the checkbox label text and replace it with Design. Select the checkbox itself, then add 2 custom attributes. The first name is FS List field and the value is Category. The second name is FS List value and the value is Design. Copy that checkbox field twice. On the second one, change the label text to Development, then update the FS List value attribute to Development. On the third one, change the label text to Marketing. Then update the FS List value attribute to Marketing. Now add the results count and the clear button. Drag a text block above the collection list and type Results. Drag another text block nearby and type 8. This is placeholder text and will be replaced on the live site. Select that second text block. Go to Element Settings, add a custom attribute, set the name to FS List Element, and set the value to Results Count. Then go inside the filter form and drag a button below the checkboxes. Replace the button text with Clear All. Select the button, open Element Settings, add a custom attribute named FS List Element and set the value to Clear. Now, publish the site. Click Publish in the top right corner of the designer. In the Publish dialog, check the box next to your staging domain, spoken as your site.webflow.io. Then click Publish to selected domains. Wait for the green published confirmation and click the webflow.io link to open the live site in a new tab. On the Publish page, scroll down to the filter form. All 8 projects should be visible. Check Design and the list updates to show only design projects. Check Marketing as well, and the visible items now include both design and marketing. Click Clear All, and all 8 items return while the checkbox is reset. Watch the results count as you toggle the filters, and it updates to match the number of visible items. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.